Okay, today's my topic is leaflets, pamphlets, and the brochures, right? So whenever to use a leaflet, pamphlets, and the brochures, it's a use for the use the like a pamphlets, leaflets, and the brochures for the most useful for the images, right? Images and the different colors of the size and different symbols also. So whenever to school or college marketing, it is used for a leaflet, pamphlets, and the projects. Then see these pictures also. So leaflet, single sheets of paper folded to make and the full pages of printed matter. So whenever to use the leaflet, that is a single sheet printed, and this after that they use for that, and it also folded that. And next is the pamphlet. Paper is can be folded into the two or the three fives the matters we have printed at the single side or the both sides. So whenever to see these pictures, like use for the different colors is and the pictures is to see, like whenever to holidays or the school information, that to the front page, use for the school names, and after the marketing whenever to see like admission committees, like teachers and faculty, whenever to use for that, okay? And these the pamphlets is the use for the both side also. So whenever to use the one of A4 size page to both side to print out. Next, brochure. The small book with the pictures and the information. The information regarding the brochures is very useful for that. In the information, in the small, like a college information related objectives. Objects in the proof of the nature setting into the classroom is specific type of the sensory experience that will make the instruction on the meaningful and the impressions. Whenever to use these objectives, like in the clinical side, you use thermometer for self and the instruments. So whenever to use the use after the use and in the information particularly is instrument, like thermometer, your BP instrument, right? So whenever to use properly and after then to backup plan for that procedures. So specimens. In the specimen used in the biology is part of the objects taken from the natural setting. It is simple and the show of the quality of the structure and section of the lung. So whenever to use these specimens collection, specimens to use in this jaguars. So whenever to use like a specimen in the biology labs, right? To see that like that in the pictures and also, right? So whenever the magnetic board to use this, so whenever in a magnetic board to use this type of, right? So in the scope like the same like a notice board. So whenever to use this magnetic board to stick out in the pins and like using keys also in this structure, right? Next, the continuum magnetic participate to use the mount object in the board to really use the education instruction. The difficulty maintained to compare to normal boards. It's so very expensive, but purchased to one time to use for the lifetime, right? So whenever to use is very useful for the educational institution. So it's very difficult to maintain, but it's a good for these educational institutions. In a PG boards to like a hotel trips. So whenever to PG walls like a single room, double room in these hotels is available to all prices in the in these show off. This is good for the information in the highlights board in the lights, right? So latest number is another interested to water supplies is boards board for the purpose for the display. So whenever to see like in the railway station to show off things the light, right? So in background is a light and after then using numbering sites. So it's very good for the sound system also, and to see the visualization is the clarity. It is a mostly used for hospital and the government institution just for a display and census the number of the after patient per day. So when you have to see these numbers like a patient to 1 to 100. So in the series, the numbers like 1 to 3. So in the three numbers, like a Ramesh Rice is calling Ramesh when after then the next, right? It is easier for the information. It is also difficult to maintain because there is accommodation in these calls. The numbers whenever the words attached in this board is very gets to damage and the miss. So whenever to use correct form, not to get is very expensive to is get damaged. So useful is the correctly form, right? So rules of the using the objects and the specimens plan to a teaching with a certain sample in the direct observation of the object to specimen refers. So whenever to use this specimen to like a correct form, and the part is not to like a heart shape and the liver to in the biology lab. So it's a very expensive specimen. So you use after before your after then use all the information to take a, like a librarian or biology lab instruction, and after then use. Ask the question from the students to examine in more details and the features of the object specimen under the observation. So whenever to use this like a part in the specimens used for the observation, and after then to replace that. Clarity emphasizes important structure detail in the object specimen under the observation. Whenever to see these structures, the clarify first and after the then observation in these specimens. Right? Advantages. Collective and the observational specimen by the students require interaction with the others, leading to development of the social skill and the values. So whenever to the like communication, that time to the interpersonal relationship in the collection to the objection specimen, and after then they do development program like the social skills to information regarding the programs and to value that. And after then the students whenever they collect the display objective specimen return the satisfaction they contribute to the school teachers and something worthless. So whenever the students do specimen collection, that to objects to observation, and after then satisfying the information, and after that to later replacing, and something is a very useful for the information in the specimen collection, right? So next is point is students PowerPoint is observation and the first in the hand experience in the enhanced by the collection of the objectives in specimens. So whenever to use for the lab investigation of the particular science project, that time to use is very useful. Is like collection objective specimen can be becomes very interesting to education purposes. The teachers and students stand there. So whenever to explain in the objectives, whenever to explain the specimen, that time is very useful and very interesting topic in how to explain this very correctly from the students, right? So it's a very good for the presentation also. So next slide is the cartoons. The cartoon is a humorous pictures which gives a suitable message. So whenever to like a small kids, so it's very useful for cartoon like a ABCD forms, and also to like a good structures in the like a for apple to see in the TVs and the cartoon forms for a apple, right? So you just see and observe. So whenever to reality to see this like a apple or a banana here orange, is a correctly from the it is a banana, it is a apple, right? This is all things available in the reality because it is showing the cartoon scenes. It is make the learning to the more interesting and the effective to create a strong appreciation. So whenever to see this in cartoon university emotion is very effective for that, right? So next advantages is the cartoon be very effectively used to entail sentences. So whenever to use the cartoon network, it is very important for the students and the kids also. Is like improvement the emotion. A cartoon will be used to motivate the students to like this started a discussion. Whenever to see this cartoon is a good information by say to one person to another person, and after then the small kids they are asking you what is this, right? Because it is seen the TV, television, and the cartoon network. So it's very useful for the good communications. A cartoon can be used for a making list, lesson lively and interesting. So whenever to see the cartoons like a music system also available, and like a different like cartoons like nowadays like a Shinchan and the Doraemon. So whenever to see like that and pictures in the reality is to see, and after that the memories in this the mind, right? So is the next is the Cartoon Network is very effective for and very interesting for the students and the kids also. Thank you.